So I thought I'd show you guys a few of our details for our high performance envelopes. First we start with the Innotech windows. They're the tilt and turn. So we got our turn and our tilt. We've got that mounted on a 3.5-inch ThermalBuck using the DAP or DAO 758 to integrate it into the Delta Vent S with the integrated tape. You can see right there. Goes over top of the wall, comes inside, and then it's tied into our ceiling poly that we run, and then our strapping before we do interior walls. We're going to start framing interiors. This allows us to keep that poly continuous